you to come over. I wish that you would come and give me something to prove. Won't you pull me closer? I think that I'm obsessed with everything that you do. I'm waiting, trying to be patient. You look like a painting. It's so frustrating. I hate it, yeah. I probably shouldn't say this. I probably should erase it. I probably shouldn't say this.
Out here in lovely Miami Beach, right? In an undisclosed location, all right?
What is going on? T to the M to the IDD. We are here in the lovely Miami, okay? And who am I with?
Sarimar.
Okay, and where can we find you at?
My Instagram is SarimarV. You can find me there.
Okay, put that in the bottom left-hand corner. Now, I must admit, we're doing this intro halfway in. So I might as well ask her, what do you think about the first shots that we got?
I love them.
Oh, yeah. Okay. She almost got me right there for a minute. Yeah, we got some bangers. So we're gonna get a few more and then we're gonna head out. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Boom. Oh, I like that. Let's see without the cover up. I feel like it got a vibe. Yeah, I feel like it got a vibe. 1, 2, 3. Boom. All right, let me get you like back on your knees with it. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. 1, 2, 3. And yep. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Perfect. Boom. So I'm attempting to go a little bit higher, still get a nice zoomed in shot, but get a little bit more of the tree elements. Because we got some fire, but now we want to just try to take it up another level, all right? All right, 1, 2. Perfect. 1, 2. Boom. And hold that right there. One, two. All right, let's see. Boom. Let me get that one more time. 1, 2. Perfect. Boom. And you could switch the hand and use the other hand. Yeah. Boom. And let me get right there. 1, 2. Okay. Boom. And sit up a little bit. Actually, no, stay right there. And put your leg, that one, like the, no. Boom. Put your hands like in between your legs. Yeah, and maybe you open your legs a little bit and you can like arch forward. Yeah. 1, 2.
I remember the day.
Perfect.
Always at the same place.
Boom.
The same people every day.
There we go. Yeah, yeah.
We were both in high school. I thought I was a fool. Oh, when I was falling for you.
Y'all know we about to make it work. 1, 2. Uh-huh. Fire. Perfect. Uh-huh. Boom. And then give me kind of like that. Yeah. Perfect. 1, 2. Uh-huh. Perfect. Boom. Yeah. Yeah, we got the ultimate halo right here. All right, let me see. Boom, there we go. 1, 2. Uh-huh. Perfect. Okay, so we were trying to go out here, but as you can see, the water has receded. Okay, so that doesn't mean anything good for us, right? No. So, but we got some bangers though. So I think we can conclude right here. What you think?
Yeah.
Okay. We made it to the end, and we're gonna have to come back when this does not look like this, because even if you go far out, it still touches like your ankle. So we are out.